Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Google's Antigravity. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, it's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to antigravity.google/download, and you're going to come to the download page here. So we can download it for Mac OS, Windows or Linux. So I've got a Windows computer and it's 64-bit, so I'm going to click on download for x64. Now that's going to go ahead and download in the background. So not sure how large it is. It shouldn't be that large, so I'm just going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished downloading. Okay, so it's 234 megabytes in size. So once it's finished downloading, go ahead and run the installer. Then from here, we want to go ahead and accept the agreement, have a read of it, get familiar, and then from here you can browse where to install it. I'm going to keep it there. Now I'm going to keep that the same. You can also create a start menu folder if you like. Now select the additional tasks you'd like to set up to perform while installing Antigravity. So I want to create a desktop icon, and then also other, register Antigravity as an editor for supported file types, add to path, require shell restart, and you can also check mark add open with Antigravity action to Windows Explorer file context menu. So I'm just going to click install. Now this is going to go ahead and install it onto my machine. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to it once it's finished installing. Okay, so once that's finished, you want to go ahead and click on finish, and also you can launch Antigravity, so make sure that is checked. Then from there, it's going to open up and it's going to ask you a few questions. It's basically next, sign in with your Google account. Then once you've signed in, you should be able to start using Google's Antigravity. So click on open Antigravity. Now it's going to set up your account here. Now you want to go ahead and agree to the terms, and then there we go. That's how to download and install Google Antigravity onto your PC or laptop.